Hello everyone, welcome to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Starbucks pink drink right at home using very simple ingredients. So let me show you what I'll be using. Over here I have the white cran-strawberry juice. I'm going to use 1.5 cups of that, half a cup of sweet coconut milk, the Tazo Passion herbal tea. I'm just going to use 1 tea bag, some fresh strawberries. Starbucks actually uses the frozen dried strawberries, but fresh works fine. And then I'm going to use 1 to 2 cups of ice cubes, depending how much ice you like in your drink. And then a venti Starbucks cup. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just add my 1.5 cups of white cran-strawberry juice. And then in that cup, I'm going to add my tea bag and let it sit for a few minutes. After a few minutes, just take your tea bag out and squeeze the tea bag to get that extra concentrated tea in there. And then just give it a good mix. Next, I'm adding my ice, and then I'll be adding the coconut milk. Now I'm just adding the coconut milk, and then I'm gonna give it a good mix. Last thing I'm going to be adding is the freshly sliced strawberries. You can add the frozen dried strawberries just like Starbucks. And that is it for this pink drink. It's so simple and so easy to make at home and just so much cheaper than buying it at Starbucks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.